Good morning dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for standard 7th. So in the last lesson we saw exercise 1.3. So in that we have seen example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, example number 4, example number 5. So today we will see question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let us start. So our first question is, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here I have written down the question as well as the solution. Let us go through it quickly. So question number 6 is, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature to be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So you have to read the example again and again so that you come to know that what is given and what we have to find out. So here a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So at current the room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. That is the current temperature. And for a certain freezing process it has to be lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So we have to reduce that temperature now. We have to reduce that temperature by 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Okay. Then we have to find out that what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins. So after 10 hours we have to find out that what will be the exact room temperature. Okay. So for 10 hours we have to reduce the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius continuously. And we have to find out what will be the room temperature after 10 hours. First is present room temperature. What is the present room temperature? We are having the present room temperature as 40 degrees Celsius. Here we have written 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. So that is the present room temperature. So at the moment the room's temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Now after that, how much we are reducing the temperature, how much we are decreasing the temperature, that we have to see. So we are reducing it at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So it is being lowered by 5 degrees Celsius every hour till 10 hours. Okay. So that is minus 5 into 10, that is minus 50 degrees Celsius. So from 40 degrees Celsius the temperature goes to minus 50 degrees Celsius. So that is room temperature after 10 hours, that is 50 degrees Celsius. This was the current temperature which was given to us. And after reducing the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius for 10 hours, we got this minus 50 degrees Celsius. So the equation becomes 40 degrees Celsius plus 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius. That is 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. You get minus 10 degrees Celsius. So after reducing the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius for 10 hours, we get minus 50 degrees Celsius. So 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius, you get the answer as minus 10 degrees Celsius. 40 minus 50, we will do subtraction, that is 50 minus 40. Okay, the answer will come 10. But here 50 is bigger. So 50 is bigger number than 40, but 50 is carrying negative sign, so we will give here negative sign. Okay, so our answer will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Thus we can write that the room temperature after 10 hours will be minus 10 degrees Celsius after the process begins. So this is our final answer.